Artsy Alicia's kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make the authentic English custard. And this is going to be a challenge for me, so I'm going to be helped by my wonderful sous chef.
Hi, my name's Oliver.
What you'll need is 250 milliliters of whole milk, 3 tablespoons of castor sugar,
Definitely.
280 milliliters of whipping cream,
Never forget that.
1 teaspoon of vanilla extract,
Yeah, yummy.
and 4 egg yolks. Let's get started.
Yay!
Take your milk, your cream, 2 tablespoons of your sugar, and your vanilla extract and put it into the saucepan. When you're making custard, you need to be really precise because if you're not, then you may end up with some scrambled eggs instead of the nice creamy sauce that you would put onto a dessert. And you leave it to cook until it's nearly boiling.
I'm mixing the egg yolks over here, and soon that teaspoon of castor sugar is gonna go in here.
And you
like
need to
that.
whisk them together until the mixture is pale and fluffy.
Fluffy indeed.
After you bring it to a boil, leave it off to the side for it to cool for a little while, for about 2 minutes.
Yeah, 2 minutes is good.
Once the milk mixture is cool, then ladle it 1 ladleful at a time into the egg mixture and mix between each ladleful. And then once that's done, pour the mixture back into the saucepan and cook gently. The thing about custard is that you can pour onto just about any dessert and it'll taste amazing. Enjoy!